Do not feel lonely, the entire universe is inside you. Lovers don't finally meet somewhere. They're in each other all along. There are 1,000 ways to kneel and kiss the ground, there are 1,000 ways to go home again. Raise your words, not voice. It is rain that grows flowers, not thunder. This place is a dream. Only a sleeper considers it real. Then death comes like dawn, and you wake up laughing at what you thought was your grief. Would you become a pilgrim on the road of love? The first condition is that you make yourself humble as dust and ashes. You are not a drop in the ocean. You are the entire ocean, in a drop. If the foot of the trees were not tied to earth, they would be pursuing me. For I have blossomed so much, I am the envy of the gardens. Stop acting so small. You are the universe in ecstatic motion. Don't be satisfied with stories, how things have gone with others. Unfold your own myth. Why do you stay in prison, when the door is so wide open? The prophets accept all agony and trust it. For the water has never feared the fire. Your depression is connected to your insolence and refusal to praise. Yesterday I was clever, so I wanted to change the world. Today I am wise, so I am changing myself. Everything that is made beautiful, fair and lovely is made for the eye of one who sees. Ignore those that make you fearful and sad, that degrade you back towards disease and death. There is a candle in your heart, ready to be kindled. There is a void in your soul, ready to be filled. You feel it, don't you? Words are a pretext. It is the inner bond that draws one person to another. Not words. Goodbyes are only for those who love with their eyes. Because for those who love with heart and soul there is no such thing as separation. Set your life on fire. Seek those who fan your flames. I know you're tired, but come. This is the way. The wound is the place where the light enters you. Wherever you are, and whatever you do, be in love. Start a huge, foolish project, like Noah. It makes absolutely no difference what people think of you. Achieve some perfection yourself, so that you may not fall into sorrow by seeing the perfection in others. You are not one. You are 1,000. Just light your lantern. Whoever has heart stores wide open, could see the sun itself in every atom. Lovers have heartaches that can't be cured by drugs or sleep or games, but only by seeing their beloved.